I hope you all had a great Halloween. Now let's get into another momentum update. The first item we have on here is we added a grid action item to access interactive reports from the agent commission statements area. If we go down here, we can click on miscellaneous, accounting items, and then agent statements. And without leaving to having to go to our interactive reports area, from the actions menu, we can click into any of the interactive reports for this specific agent statement. The next item we have is a brand new interactive report. So we added Book of Business Annualized Report. If I go here, I can search this. It will bring up the Book of Business Annualized Report. So we can see the total premium, the annualized premium, the agency commission, generate totals. We have all these filters. It is a great report. The next item we have is within interactive reports, the policies and quotes by reports. We added a new column for annualized premium as well. So if we go to interactive reports, we go to any of the policy or quotes by reports, you will now see annualized premium here. Then the last interactive reports item we added on is within the service request by agent section, we are now displaying numbers for new, in progress, completed, and past due requests. So to find this, we'll go to service requests. We can go to any of these, and we will now see the graph items for all of these items. Moving past that to the additional items, under Agency Overview, we added a new grid action for customer and policy trend reports. So if we go into here, you'll see the new trend reports in the top right corner. We can click on customers or policies, and these are great new reports that will help you see your overall trends for policy. So we can see everything, how we're looking, what we're increasing by, what we're decreasing, the total amount of premium up and down. So these were very highly requested, and these are going to be great reports for every single agency to be in full control of your book. Here under total amounts, we added an annualized premium if you hover over it. So anywhere you see total amounts, so let's go to the policies, quotes, renewal center, anywhere. We'll use the renewal center for this. We can go ahead and select total amounts or show totals. You'll see this little AP. You can hover over it and you will see the annualized premium. Within the dashboard, we added new widgets for policies and quotes by parent carrier. Before we had policies and quotes by carrier, this is allowing us to filter and report by parent carrier. So you can go into your dashboard, you can configure it. We can organize these two reports onto our dashboard, any of the widget boards. I can go back to the overview, and we will now see those two reports. Under the Policy and Quote Info Center, we now display the referral source in the Overview tab. So if I go to Policies or Quotes, and I click on the Info Center wherever they are, so the Info Center is this little icon, in the Overview tab, we will now show the referral source. Within agency locations, we added a search column and filter for license number. So if you're an agency that uses locations, you can now go to locations. You've been able to add in a license number underneath each location. Now you have the ability to see it as a column and to also search for it under license number. So I'm going to enable both, see license number, and you'll see license number. Tasks, we now display the category in the subline of the details page. So if I go to any task with a category, so general, you can see right here the category that it is. We've added the ability for momentum menus to use the agency setting for requiring a primary office. So if you go to configure and you go down to the agency settings, you will see here, primary office required. Now when you're using momentum menus, which are the new insert, edit, on-page edits, all of them, if the location is not filled out and they go ahead and try to save it or update it or do a quick edit, it will let them know that this is required. So now momentum menus are able to look at that setting. And last but certainly not least, You have the ability to search for existing values using a star or empty values using empty in-text search filters. What this means is if I want to look for anything that has a specific item, like let's say I want to see everything that has a greeting name, I could search for it here. I put a star in and it will only show me things that have a greeting name. If I want to show everything that did not have a greeting name, within the text field, I could just go ahead and enter empty. And it will show me everything that does not have a greeting name. And you could use any of these on any of these search filters on any of these pages. So this is a great way to find out what's missing or what is where. So this is a very easy way to generate the right reports. That was the Momentum update. Thank you.